Jamaicans living in Jamaica and overseas, this message is for you. Do not skip this video. If you are living on the eastern side of the US and perhaps Canada, and you ship barrels to Jamaica on a regular basis, and you're quite fine with all the hassle and trouble of shopping and struggling to take your items down to the shipper and fill the barrel, you can just go ahead and skip this video. But if you're not fine doing things that way, or you often find yourself with less than the full barrel to ship, and you do not know a way to ship them to Jamaica and want to find a way, there is a way. Sit back and let me explain to you. If you live in places like Arizona, Chicago, Colorado, Nevada, California, the UK, in the Manchester area, Birmingham, in Cayman Islands, or even Bermuda, or in Canada, in places like British Columbia, Winnipeg, and Edmonton, quite often you want to send things back home, but you don't have access to barrel services, or you have items that are less than a barrel full, and you want to send them back home, but often find things very difficult. There is a way to do it, and there is a way to do it cheap. There is a way to shop online and have your products from whatever retailer you purchase them from straight to your doorstep in Jamaica. This is very cost efficient at 25 to 30% of what FedEx normally charge. My company is Ship Quicker, and we have been doing this for a very long time. Don't just take my word for it. Check out our Instagram page, and I'll put a link right below here. And on our Instagram page, you will see numerous videos of us making deliveries across the entire island. And we do so cheaply. Yes, you can buy things from wherever you want all around the world with 2 clicks on your smartphone, and it goes straight to your doorstep, cheap. Click on the link that says learn more, and I'll tell you more. When you support us, you not only support a local company, but you support Jamaica itself. Together, we can join hands and make a better Jamaica. Blessings.